And as those businesses like bars and nightclubs start to reopen, the question is, Brandon, how are they going to be regulated?
It is a very important question to get answered. Our Emma Lockhart had a chance to speak with a state health expert who says that there needs to be some sort of a plan to make sure we keep this virus under control.
Former State Health Director Will Humble sounding the alarm, tweeting yesterday, "Get ready for June 2.0. He says bars and nightclubs are super spreaders of the virus, and if they aren't regulated this time around, we could repeat history. Shuttered bars and nightclubs across the state could soon get the green light to reopen.
The percent positivity is much lower. The rate of cases is much lower in most counties.
They have to meet certain benchmarks. One includes their county having a less than 3% positivity rate. Even then, they would have to follow strict guidelines. So when the time comes, how will they be enforced?
It's going to be really important to do it right this time.
Former State Health Director Will Humble is asking that question tonight. He says there needs to be a compliance system in place, so we don't have a repeat of May.
The bars and nightclubs opened to a free-for-all, and it was under the honor system. That's why we ended up with exponential growth of the virus.
Humble says there should be a way for people to report businesses breaking the rules, recommending county health departments step in to hold them accountable.
Let's send them out to those facilities and do an inspection, do an investigation. And if they're not doing the right thing, punish them.
Meantime, the governor's office says there's a plan in place, but didn't provide much detail, only saying that guidelines will be enforced by local authorities, health departments, and state agencies. Still, Humble says the governor should come out with stronger messaging this week to ensure bars and nightclubs know the consequences.
If we don't put a compliance system in place this time, we're at risk of ramping this virus up, getting to exponential spread, and do you know who's going to suffer in the end? The K-12 system.
In Phoenix, Emma Lockhart, Arizona's Family.